at 6:20. Let's bring in Fox 4 certified meteorologist Trent Eric. Trent, I got a little bit of the rain last night. I feel lucky. My lawn feels lucky to have it. Any chance we're going to see more rain in the next few days?
Oh boy, I tell you what, if we are to pick up a shower today, it's going to be in the extreme southern parts of Collier County along Tamiami Trail. That's the area that has the most moisture behind this front. Right now, the radar is sweeping around pretty quiet for southwest Florida. That cold front that brought us the little rainfall between I-75 and Lake Okeechobee yesterday has now pushed the rain between Grand Bahama and Bimini, and you can see a few of those showers back towards West Palm. If we are to pick up rain today, it is going to be south of I-75 in Collier. But boy, 24 hours ago, we were hopeful. We had a 30 to 40% chance. Most of the rain, the heavier stuff, developed inland. You can see around Ave Maria, Immokalee, over the rural sections there of Hendry County. We had about 2 to 2.5 inches and about 1.5 inches there between State Road 29 and Immokalee Road. A little farther to the north between Palmdale and Moorhaven, amounts a little less. You're looking at a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch, and officially both at Naples and Fort Myers yesterday, zero. Nothing officially in the climate reporting. So we now look at our totals. 4.64 behind year to date in Fort Myers, starting to get closer to 4 inches in Naples. And you combine that dry conditions with our hot temperatures. Matter of fact, yesterday we reached 91 in Fort Myers. That tied a record back in 2020 with the clouds and rain developing inland. We were able to get a little warmer. Now Punta Gorda stayed well shy of a record, going only up to 87. We are anticipating an update here from the U.S. Drought Monitor at 8:30 this morning. And unfortunately, most of southwest Florida continues under that severe drought. I expect the severe drought to possibly expand north into more of DeSoto County, and for the first time this year we could possibly see extreme drought conditions on areas here around our coastline. So we'll watch that here today, and of course we'll bring it to you just as soon as we get it. You step out the door this morning, you're going to feel a big difference. That reading of 66 is still above our average of 61, but with lower humidity and a nice breeze out there, it feels completely different than the last couple of mornings where we've been waking up in the low to mid 70s. Now it will be a little breezy this afternoon, 10 to 15 mile per hour winds with gusts up to 20, and we are forecasting a high temperature right around 88. So even though that cold front moved through, we are still going to be sunny and hot. That reading of 88 you can see is well above our average of 83 and shy of a record of 91 going back to 2020. Our hot dry weather pattern is going to settle in, and now as we look ahead towards the weekend and next week, when I talked yesterday about cranking up the heat Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, boy, we were lying. 93 degrees is what we're going to be forecasting for the middle parts of next week.